Welcome to this calming meditation from Inner Cloud. Today, we journey through the four elements of nature: earth, water, fire, and air. Each one offers its own wisdom, its own energy, its own path back to balance. Find a comfortable position. Close your eyes gently. Let your hands rest naturally. Take a deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Allow your body to soften. Let go of the day so far. Let go of what's ahead. Just be here now. Begin by connecting with the element of earth. Feel the ground beneath you, solid, steady, supportive. Earth reminds us you are safe, you are held, you belong. Picture yourself sitting on warm soil. A forest surrounds you. Trees sway gently in the wind. You feel calm, rooted. Breathe in the strength of the earth and breathe out any tension. Feel the support of the ground below you as it holds you just as you are. Now we move into water. Imagine a gentle stream flowing beside you. Water teaches us how to let go, to flow, to surrender. See the water move around rocks, not resisting, just flowing with ease. Feel that same flow within you, in your breath, in your emotions. Allow any tension or worry to wash away, carried off by the current. Let your body soften like water, calm, fluid, open. Next, awaken the element of fire. A gentle flame glows in front of you. Its warmth lights your inner strength. Fire represents energy, passion, transformation. Let the flame burn away old fears, old doubts, anything no longer serving you. Feel the warmth in your chest, like a light growing from within. With every breath, your inner fire grows. You feel inspired, alive, glowing. Let that energy move through you, balanced, bright but gentle, calm, strong but calm. Now, breathe with the element of air. Feel the soft wind around you. Air is freedom, clarity, perspective. Let your breath be like the wind, light, gentle, moving with ease. Feel space open around you and within you. Each inhale brings fresh energy. Each exhale, release. You are open, expansive, at peace. If this meditation brought you peace, please consider giving it a like and subscribing at Inner Cloud for more calm moments like this. And if you're looking to deepen your mindfulness journey, you can find our beautifully crafted ebook on Etsy. The link is in the description below. Thank you for being here. May you carry the peace of the elements with you wherever you go.